LC is a cloud-based, AI-enabled platform for analysis and generation of urban area development concepts. Rovitec works with digital topographic survey data, land surveying, relief mapping and geological surveys. It supports current urban planning standards and various key indicators used in documentation for urban area planning and development. The platform includes a generative design module, which significantly reduces the development time of concept design and master plans for the development of territories. A bare minimum of data is enough to obtain a result. Just outline the plot boundaries of the land in question and set the connection points for the road network. The platform automatically takes care of the rest. Regulations, urban planning model, and environmental data are extracted from its internal database and various open data sources. In this particular example, we have selected a mid-rise model for a residential buildings complex. It is characterized by a dense grid of streets and a full block building scheme. The platform can also work effectively with any construction company standards. In a matter of minutes, the algorithms can build a network of main and local streets in a selected area, and then choose the optimal zoning of individual street blocks. Artificial intelligence determines which neighborhoods are best suited for residential development and which ones are best allocated for infrastructure, commerce or parks. The platform supports BIM models and can work equally well with typical buildings designs or with tailor-made custom designs. Standards are checked at the generation stage, so each project will always be provided with an accessible social infrastructure. These are schools, kindergartens, clinics, parking lots, green areas, sports and engineering facilities. In the process of arranging objects, the platform takes into account different classes of residential buildings, the surrounding environment, view characteristics, and proximity to security zones, like major highways or power lines. The platform also calculates the amount of solar irradiance, which allows the end user to get the optimal apartment layout for a given project. Once generation is complete, it produced a perfect digital double of the territory, a digital model in space, time and economy. The system automatically allocates several stages for large projects, synchronizing the construction of social infrastructure and residential buildings. The financial model of the project considers costs of construction in different regions and shows the economic potential of the area to be developed, amount of capital funds to be borrowed, and overall return on investment. The platform allows an SME, subject matter expert, to make their own changes to the project at any stage of the design process that is typically handled by artificial intelligence. For instance, they could change street configurations, add or remove houses, change the number of floors. Once parameters are updated, the model is regenerated in a matter of minutes. A specialist working with our platform could receive dozens of scenarios and choose the best one on the same business day. The resulting models can be exported as vector geodata files, allowing the end user to continue working with the model in third-party systems. Alternatively, one could prepare a complete package of necessary documentation from within the platform. Urban area development has never been so simple, fast and visually compelling. Rovitec, planning our future together.